Hi, friends. I just wanted to share with you some of my feelings on the art of being successful. Maybe the measure of your successful. How do you measure yourself? You're successful. How true yourself towards success in your career and life. The moment I say successful, you will all encounter with me and say that I've been very successful in my career. I've got everything on the dots and I have a claim to this position just because of my hard work, sincerity towards all these things. Just because I've done it so meticulously in such a planned manner, I've come out 100% successful in my profession. I'm number one in what I do today. That's wonderful. Have a pat on your back. But can you all touch yourself and tell me that you have been very successful in your family life, with your family, with your better half, with your children? Are you so successful as you have been in the career? We all tend to say that, yes, but hypocritically we utter the word yes. Definitely, including me, I'm telling you, I have not been like that. I have missed out a lot many things what I have to be. Only the experience have told me I have not been 100% successful with my family, maybe to an extent with my children. We are all have that proud and pride that we'll have to come up in the ladder. How many of us have shared the wonderful things what you have shared with your boss and your associates in getting a business? Like that, have you ever shared with your wife and children? Have you ever shared and cared them? Just think for a moment. You attend a board meeting, you call your secretary, the secretary must have given you the worst coffee, but still you will say, "Thank you very much. You look very beautiful." The other person who has been always irritating you just because he has given you the business, he is your associate, you will say, how nice to be in your company. It was just because of you I got this through. Thank you very much for everything. Of course, to go up the ladder, you say everything. But to your better half, to your family, to your children, do you have that same feeling and oneness? The moment you come home, you switch in your TV or switch in your phone, see to see through something or in a paper, go through all those things. When somebody asks you, "What is that? I want to tell you this thing." You will simply say, murmur, "No, I am very busy. I can't talk to you." You will carry all the dirt of what you have in your office to the home also. Sit in a dining table with a frowning face, not even a smile at those which are served. You don't have the courtesy to say that it's very nice. You have done it very well. The small appreciations will carry you to so many levels, which all we don't do. We just think they're all machines, mechanics. They got to do because I'm the master. I've done everything. I'm leading this family and they have to. They are obliged to. It's not so. What you have to do here, you're doing it in the office. What you should not do in the office, you're doing it at the home. Just topsy-turvy, quite vice versa. Is it hard to behave like that? How you behave to your customers? Please them? Be courteous? No curt replies? What stops you? What bothers you to behave in the same fashion to your family, to your wife, your children? They would have missed the moment you share your happiness with them. They get elated, they get encouraged, they are motivated. What the best thing is, you will get better tomorrow, the best the day after. You forget that. You take things so easily, you take it for granted that they are all here to help you out, to serve you out. Please don't have that. Come out of that inhibition. You might be great. If you're not successful at home, you can never be successful at your career or in the office. That's what his life is about. Try to have your own feelings. Try to gulp in what cannot be. Just drink in what can digest you. The family is the one which is going to come all the way. You can change your jobs. You can change your professions. You can change your pedestals in your careers. But it's very hard to change your better half and the family and the children. They are God given. Try to respect them. Try to own them by your love, sheer love. That is what is success. If you understand, you will be the successful person all the time in life. Thanks for hearing. Have a great day.